Good afternoon, students. Continuing with the lecture, today we learn the use of the in order to find out the errors with the article. First and foremost, use of the. So we all know that the is a definite article. So to point out a person or thing known or already referred to, we use the. For example, the cashier of the college was sacked for misappropriation. So here we know the cashier before. The teacher who taught me English in high school was a genius. Again, we are referring to person already known. Second use is to refer to the object or group of objects which are unique or considered to be unique, like the sun, the moon, the equator, the sky, the earth, etc. So these are the unique objects of the universe. Third is before the names of rivers, bays, seas, oceans, gulfs, group of islands, or chain of mountains, rather not an individual mountain, and also the deserts. We use the, like the Ganga, the Arabian Sea, the Himalayas. Here, Himalayas are this chain of mountains, the West Indies, the Sahara, name of desert, the Netherlands, the Indian Ocean, etc. Next use of the is before the names of provinces and countries in case their name is denoting some specific meaning. The Punjab. A Punjab itself has its meaning. The USA, the USSR, the Deccan, etc. Before the specific names of trains, ships, airplanes, and buildings. The Janta Mail, the Shatabdi, the Taj Mahal, the Victoria, the Mandor, the Eagle, etc. Next use of the is before the names of religious books, newspapers, or magazines. The Vedas, the Quran, the Gita, the Iliad, the Bible, the Times of India, the Indian Express, the Illustrated Weekly. Next uses before the names of communities and nations. The Hindus, which means the people belonging to Hindu religion. The Jews, the Sikhs, the French, people of France, the Muslim, the English, the people of England. The next use of the is before the names of the directions preceded by prepositions. This particular rules means to state that we use the not directly when we are mentioning the directions, but when we are using some preposition with those directions. For example, we are not saying the east, the west. It is east, west, north, south. But when we are using the preposition like in the east, to the south, towards the west, so the is used in this case. Next is before singular noun indicating a class. Here we are using the singular noun, but the noun is referring to the whole class. For example, the monkey is a clever animal, referring to the whole class of monkeys. Man and women representing human race are used without any article, as we did in the first and foremost example in the introduction of articles. Next uses before the body parts instead of possessive pronouns, like he hit me on my head. Instead of saying my, we will say he hit me on the head. So my head is acting as possessive pronoun. Next is before an adjective used as a common noun. So it is not a noun, but the adjective is being used as a noun. For example, rich. Rich is someone's quality. But in this particular sentence, when we say the rich should help the poor and the needy, so we mean to say that all the people of rich class should help all the people of poor class. So the here rich is acting as noun. Next is before proper noun used as a common noun. You are the Kalidas of modern times. So Kalidas is a proper noun, but we are using it in a common way. Next is before the superlative degrees of adjectives. This is the highest mountain. Another use is, I hope you all know that adjectives have 3 degrees. The second degree is comparative and the third degree is superlative. Before the comparative degree of adjective or adverb in some particular type of sentences, like the faster you walk, the quicker you reach. So the 3 degrees of adjective of fast are fast, faster and fastest. So faster here is the comparative degree. The older you grow, the wiser you become. Old, older, oldest, wise, wiser, wisest. The next uses before the comparative degree of adjective if a selection is made between two persons or thing. So we use the in comparative degree of adjectives when we have to make selection between the two. For example, of these two shirts, which is the costlier? So we are comparing the two shirts and their costs. So students, today we'll learn up till here and tomorrow we'll continue with the other rules of the articles. Thank you.